How to set up Microsoft Ads conversion tracking to WordPress. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll guide you through the process of setting up Microsoft Ads conversion tracking on your WordPress website. Tracking conversions helps you measure the success of your ad campaigns by showing how users interact with your site after clicking your ads. Let's dive in. First, head over to ads.microsoft.com and log into your account. And from the dashboard, click on the Tools menu and select Conversion Tracking. Now, click on Create Conversion Goal and choose the conversion action you want to track, such as purchases, form submissions, or page visits. Next, you'll need a UET tag, which is a Universal Event Tracking tag, to track conversions. After setting up your conversion goal, Microsoft Ads will ask you to create a UET tag, so once created, copy the UET tag code and this code will need to be placed on your WordPress site. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for a plugin like Header, Footer, and Post Injections, or any similar plugin that allows you to add codes to your site. Install and activate the plugin, and once activated, head to the plugin settings and paste your UET tag code into the header section of your site and save the changes. Now go to your Microsoft Ads dashboard and click on UET tags under conversion tracking, and here you can check the status of your tag to ensure it's active. It might take a few hours for Microsoft Ads to verify it, so be a little patient. Lastly, you need to test your conversion tracking by performing the action you set as a goal. And that's it, you've successfully set up Microsoft Ads conversion tracking on your WordPress site. Now you can accurately measure how effective your ad campaigns are. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.